So hi, this is PySpiders Rajajinagar and this is Vatsal. I'm an automation trainer, Python automation trainer. So one of our students got placed and he's going to share his experience.
Hello everyone, my name is AFFAN BAIG. I'm from Mysore. So my experience with the Rajajinagar PySpiders was great, and it helped me cope up with all of my activities which was needed for the interview to crack on, and everything was such great. My trainers were Lakshmi Prasad sir and SQL by Murli sir, and even for aptitude test Silva sir. So they were always amazingly great, and they used to explain everything so detailedly. It was such a great experience. To fulfill the requirement of getting the clear interview, grooming sections helped me a lot, and even those presentations, screening process, everything was so great, and everything was great, and it helped me a lot to crack my interviews. And thank you for the PySpiders and helped me out getting this.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.